where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. And today what we'll do in this video is to set up the environment. We have different environments we can use to code in Java. One is Eclipse, the other one we can use NetBeans, and the third one is JetBrains, that is IntelliJ. You have some other, but these are like the three major ones that people do use. But I prefer using IntelliJ from JetBrains. So what we need to do to get started is to download the software and then run it on our device. And to do that, we need to click open a web browser and go to google.com. And in there, we'll type in download IntelliJ Java, and then we'll click on the first one. And here, we need to select our operating system first. If you're using Windows, you click on that. If you're using Mac OS, you select that and download the DMG file extension, or if you're using Linux, you click on that. Now, you have two options here. One is the Ultimate and the other one is Community. Now, the Ultimate is a 30-day version software. So after 30 days, you need to make payment to be able to use it. But for the Community, it's free, and I think this is just for education purpose. It gives you all the information you need. You'll be able to do what you want to do, because in writing code, all you need is the basics. As soon as you get the basics, you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. You'll be even able to code in other programming language like JavaScript, Python, and what have you. So to get started, since I'm using a Mac, we'll click on Mac OS, and then I'll go to the Community and download the .dmg file for the Community, and then I'll run it on my device. Now, I'm not going to download this because I've already downloaded it before. So if you download it and you run the application from your download folder, it should give you an option with this interface that you have right on the screen. And what we need to do, since we want to create a project, we select project and then we double click on new project. It comes up from there, and so we need to, because I don't have Java on my screen here, we need to download a Java and wait for it to do that. So if you don't have the JDK already on your machine, you can download it just like what I've done, and then you click next, and it's asking us create project from template. Now we have to check this box, and the reason why we're doing that is for it to be able to create the main method for us automatically. If we don't check this box and we just click continue, that means the main method we'll need to type it in ourselves manually. So in order not to disturb or stress ourselves, what we need to do is to check that box and allow the software to do it for us automatically, and then we click next. Now it's asking for a project name. Because this is our first project, I'll just say first project. And now here is asking us again, where's the file location? Now it's saying our file location is an ideal project, first project. So you can leave it as a default, or if you want to put it somewhere else, all you need to do is to click that box just beside the field, and then you can pick it from here. So, but you can pick it from here, whereby you can go to administrator, and then you can select whichever place you want it to go in here. So I'll leave that there as default, and I'll click finish, and then wait for it to do the job. So now the job is done for us. So it has completed our program for us. So all we've got now is the environment. So it says write your code here. So this is where we'll be writing our code. So all our code will be written in there. Now, in this video, we are not allowed to write anything outside the main method. Now, the reason is because if we try that, it's going to return another message. Not that we cannot write something outside the main method. We can write a function outside or when we're doing the object-oriented programming. But for now, don't stress yourself with that. Just know that you only have to write your code in the main method. So this is where I'm going to end the video for today, because all we need is just to set the environment so we can get start coding. So in the next video, we'll start with variables. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in the next video, bye for now.